Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to monetize your WhatsApp. Firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. I want to make this video very short and briefly. I've already written down things that I'm going to share with you guys. And as you can see, it's not much, it's few, but powerful. Understand? So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to monetize your WhatsApp. And if you want to monetize your WhatsApp, there are 3 ways to monetize your WhatsApp, the 3 major ways to monetize your WhatsApp. And I've used them and it works for me and it worked for me. Understand? So I'm going to share these 3 ways today. So ways to monetize your WhatsApp. Number 1 is open a business. So open a business simply means establishing a business on WhatsApp, basically on WhatsApp status. There are many businesses you can start on your WhatsApp status. For instance, number 1, selling clothes and shoes. Number 2, selling cream, perfume, or other cosmetics. Number 3, rendering services and getting paid. There are many other ways and there are many other things you can sell as well, but these are the major things that can move very fast on WhatsApp status. But you can actually do many other things. Like me, I don't sell anything for now, but I started with selling shoes and clothes. But right now, I don't sell anything on my WhatsApp status. What I do is I render service. There's rendering service and getting paid. So I grow YouTube channel. I sell subscribers. I monetize channel. I distribute music on digital platform. I sell Nigerian Instagram followers, Weibo Instagram followers. I sell real Nigerian likes and comments on Instagram. I sell real Nigerian likes and comments on Facebook. I sell real Nigerian comment and like on YouTube. So that's all I do for now. But I started with selling clothes and shoes. Understand? There was a time I even combined it with all this perfume stuff, but I didn't take that one serious. But actually, I have a friend that is selling a perfume, cream, and all this stuff, and the girl is doing very well. Understand? So, how to grow a WhatsApp business? So there are 3 major ways I used in growing my WhatsApp business. Number 1 is buying and saving contacts. Understand? You can actually buy contacts. You can actually buy people's contacts, people that you don't know. All you got to do is buy their contacts, save them. Well, the way we do it, if I send the PDF to you, once you click on the PDF, then it will direct you to your mail. Once you click or you select the mail that you want, all the numbers will automatically save inside your phone. So what you are going to do is that you're going to call them one after the other. Then you don't need to call them. You're going to test them on WhatsApp one after the other. Tell them your name, tell them your services, what you do, and ask them to save your number. Once they save your number, then they will automatically start viewing your status each time you post anything. So there are many platforms where you can buy numbers, but if you don't know any, you can hit me up with the number on description. I will still share my WhatsApp link on the description. Then you can hit me up so that I will sell to you. That's what I do. I sell numbers and contact to. So number 2 is fast in delivery and creating trust between you and your customers. You need to be very fast in delivery. When people pay for a particular product, make sure you deliver fast. And once you deliver to them, you've already created trust, and that trust that you created between you and them is what will help them, what will make them to be able to tell more people about your business. So that's going to lead to number 3, which is referral. Understand? When you deliver fast and create trust between you and your customers, it will help them to be able to convince their own friends to come and buy from you. So number 3 is referral. Always tell your contact to refer people to you, even if they themselves are not buying. Always tell them to refer people, even if they are not buying. Tell them to refer people to you. Understand? It really helps. It really helps in growing a business on WhatsApp. Number two ways to monetize your WhatsApp is creating WhatsApp TV. That's WhatsApp TV. As you can see, WhatsApp TV. That's number two way to monetize your WhatsApp. Understand? So creating a WhatsApp TV simply means using your WhatsApp status as an avenue to entertain people. Understand? Posting memes, posting funny videos, and many other type of video that you know that people will enjoy. Understand? Some do motivational videos and all those things. So when you keep on posting them and every day, always try to tag your number on most of the videos so that even if someone save your video and post on his or her own status, your number will be there so that people can be able to save your number too and tell you that they want to be viewing your status. And before you know it, you hit many contacts. Understand? If you're able to achieve at least 1K constant status viewers on each post, trust me, you will make money through advert. So if you 1,000 people view your post steady on any post that you post, at least you make money from adverts. Understand? You will start posting. All you got to do is this: post a screenshot of views you get on your post on status and tell them to pay for advert, and they will pay. Understand? Once they see that you get 1,000 plus views on each post that you make, at least they would like to send in their business so that you can actually help them post their business. And when they send in their business for you to post for them, you collect money from them. Understand? And another advantage of WhatsApp TV is that uh, advantage of having a WhatsApp TV is that you can also post your jobs. You can post your jobs, business, affiliate link, and make sales too. Understand? You can post your business too on your WhatsApp TV, post your affiliate links and your jobs, understand, and make money as well on your own TV. So it's not only by posting people's own business that you make money. You make money by posting your own business too on your WhatsApp TV. Number three ways to monetize your WhatsApp is by affiliate marketing. Understand? There are many affiliate websites that you can register with. Here are lists below. Understand? Share Yourself affiliate, Amazon associate, eBay partner, Shopify affiliate program, ClickBank, Rakuten marketing affiliate, lead page partner program, Jot affiliate program, Jotform affiliate program. For instance, the people around you are in need of a solution on how to cure ulcer. You can go to any of the program which has the medicine that can cure ulcer. Post them every day with the link where to purchase it. Once they purchase any of the products with your link, you make a certain percentage. Understand? So what I actually mean here is that you know the things that people around you need. You know the things that people in your status, like if you're a woman, a female, if you're a female, understand, you know the kind of things that your fellow girls need. If you know the kind of thing that people around you need, understand. So you go to all these affiliate website, then get that thing, then always post it on your WhatsApp status. As you keep posting it every day, one day people will ask you, how do I get this? Then you share your link to them, you share your affiliate link to them. Once they buy without your link, you are making money from it, understand? So it's very simple. But in case you don't know how affiliate marketing works, don't worry, I will make a video on that, understand? So I'm going to make video on affiliate marketing to enlighten you more. So all you got to do is subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button to be the first to get those videos when I make them, when I create them. These are just few screenshots on how I conversate, a few screenshots on how I deal with my customers on WhatsApp, understand? So, my WhatsApp actually wiped steady due to I have too much contact on my WhatsApp. I have about 8,000 plus contact on my WhatsApp, and due to the heavy this thing, the storage and all those things. My WhatsApp actually wiped, but it's not an issue. I have two phone. I use an iPhone. The one on the iPhone doesn't wipe, but actually the one on my Android is mostly the where I make sales. So and I find it difficult to shift it to iPhone because I like Android. So that's it. So here is the screenshot. This one, his job is already completed. So I told him job completed, pay for the watch hour. Then he said, okay, make the video come, give me a little time. So we are hitting watch hour soon. Understand this channel was 19 subscribers when he gave it to me, and I grew it to 1,000 subscribers. So they are looking up for 4,000 watch hour. This one said, hello. I said, good day. Okay, that's the same guy when he first sent me a message and later called me. And after he called me, then asked for my account number. I sent him my account number. He said, send bro. Then I said, okay, boss. Understand? Then he sent the YouTube channel that he wants me to work for. Understand? Okay, and this one said, hello, hello. Then I said, good evening. He said, I found your contact on WhatsApp about YouTube monetization. And I said, yes, sir. What do you want? Subscribers or watch hour? Understand? So that's how it works. Once you keep on posting, people are there watching and they will definitely chat you up. This one said, greetings, got your contact from Gospel Niger for Instagram follower. Then I said, good morning. He said, how much does it cost? And I said, which of our services are you going for? He said, Instagram followers. Then I said, okay, Nigeria or Oyibo. Then he said, Nigeria, but you can miss the two, understand? So that's my job. You can actually call me for that. You can use the link on the description and call me for that. And this one said, hello, my brother. Good morning, brother. How much you go sell Twitter followers for me? I need them sharp money transaction. Then I said, Lord. Then that's my regular customer. So that's where we discuss, understand? He's a regular customer. So that's how it works on WhatsApp status. Understand? So I'm coming. That's how that's how it works, guys. And if you really enjoy this video, please hit the notification button, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Understand, to be the first to get our video each time we post video. We love you and remain blessed. Understand, please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Thank you. If the video really helped you, please subscribe, please. We are begging you to subscribe to the channel. We love you guys. Thank you and remain blessed.